Welcome to part 2. So the carburetor is very dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open that. Look at that petrol. It's very dirty. I can see it was standing for a long time, so let's open. It smells very horrible. The jets are very blocked. Let me take out the jets. Well guys, now I know why it didn't want to run properly. It's like glue on the jets. That jet is closed, you can't even see through it. So let me start cleaning this stuff up. Well guys, let's see if she starts. I did put gas, I did put the battery, so let's see what happens. Well guys, I think we need to test drive it. Some of the footage I didn't come out like I expected, but yes, let's test drive it. Well guys, she runs very good. I just want to put all the side panels back, and obviously I need to get a new breather pipe, and I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do with the diff. And obviously we need to clean this thing because it's very dirty everywhere. But I think it will be it for this video because I need to go to town and check for that pipe. So I'll catch you guys on part 3.